Alrighty ladies, here is the next part of As Long As You Love Me with Justin Bieber. So, it's going to go, as long as you love me, we could be starving, we could be homeless, we could be broke. What a mouthful. But we're going to start out with As Long As You Love Me. I'm going to take my right hand, put it to this left shoulder and slide it across. As long as you love me. As long as you love me. He's going to say, we could be starving. I'm going to do my little trumpet hands. So I'm turning to the left, trumpet hands here, sort of in front of my mouth. And we're going to go, we could be starving. We could be starving. So I'm doing another little body roll, and I'm flicking my wrist. Boop, 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 boop. So that goes, as long as you love me, we could be starving. Then he's going to say, we could be homeless. We could be homeless. We could be homeless. We could be broke. So we're imagining that we're breaking something when we flick our hands in. So if we go, as long as you love me, we could be starving, we could be homeless, we could be broke. Alrighty? We could be broke. Then he's going to go, as long as you love me, again. He's going to say it again. But this time we're going to look to the back, we're going to look at the blue wall. He's going to go, as long as you love me, I'm going to look at the back, so I'm facing the blue wall. I'm going to take my left arm. Then he's going to say, I'll be your platinum, I'll be your silver, I'll be your gold. Alrighty? But first, we got to do, as long as you love me again. So we go, as long as you love me. Then he's going to say, I'll be your platinum. That's when we're going to turn around. Look at the blue wall. I'll be your platinum. Then I'm going to put my left hand out and run my right hand down it for I'll be your silver. I'm going to slide into that. I'll be your silver. So let's go again. As long as you love me, I'll be your platinum. I'll be your silver. Then he's going to say, I'll be your gold. I'm going to flip around to the front and twirl my hands around and slide it down. So I'm going to do that facing you. So I've gone here. I've gone, I'll be your platinum. I'll be your silver. What I'm going to do is my hands are going to come here. I'll be your gold. So my hands are here. I'm going to flip it around and slide it down. So we go. As long as you love me, I'll be your platinum. I'll be your silver. We're going to turn all the way to the front. I'll be your gold. Slide it all the way down. A few more little bits, lady. So then he's going to go, as long as you la 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 la. He's going to do this nice little bit with his voice. We're going to take our right foot. We're going to go heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. So what I'm doing, while I'm doing my feet, I'm going heel, toe, heel, toe. My shoulders, as you can see, are doing a little pop. Pop, 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 pop. And we're going to do that for the whole part where he's going, as long as you la, 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 so on and so on. Then when he says, love me, I'm going to take my right hand across and pop it. Love me, love me. So what that looks like is we go, as long as you la, 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 all that lovely bit. Then when he says, love me, you're going to pop, pop. Then you're going to take and do your left foot. Because he's going to say it again, but we're going to do it on the left side this time. Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. Same thing as we did before. We're going to take the right hand and hit it, hit it, hit it.